Hello guys, welcome to WHMD webhostingmydomain.com. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can install WordPress on your domain. So just log in. This is your web hosting my domain client area from where you can log in into your client area easily. So I'm just hiding the login details for privacy policy. So let me just log in real quick. Okay. So you see, this is your client area from where you buy the services for your domain. So just click on this button, login into the cPanel. On this domain, you will install your WordPress. I'm hiding this domain for just privacy policy, so you will be able to just log in into your cPanel by just clicking on this button. Click here. Yeah, we just landed into the cPanel. Okay. Click on this WordPress Manager by Softaculous. Click here, and you have to just click on button install. And here you will give your admin username and admin password for WordPress. So whatever you think is best. Right now we are giving it just admin, and you will create your password or you can make your own password as well here, right? So just you can also write your site name here, site description, whatever you want. I'm not doing this right now. You will be also able to do this when you install a WordPress from your WordPress dashboard. So just click on the button install, and this will install all the WordPress basic files into your directory of domain. So we will just wait for a few seconds and it will install. So you see how this is very quick method to install WordPress on cPanel. Just go back and you click on the button login. You will be directly able to land in your WordPress dashboard. So from here, you can able to easily install your theme. You can develop your website. So whatever you want to do, you can do from here. And if you need any more updates about WordPress, you will comment below. Whatever you are facing issue, you can comment below and we will answer you. So thanks for watching this video, and we will see you soon. Thanks.